Hey guys, it's Jamie with Badass Mama Fitness, and one of the most common questions we get asked is what the heck tennis shoes are we supposed to wear in class? So today I'm just going to cover a couple of tips, and then Sierra and I are going to show you a new shoe that we were asked to kind of put through its paces. We did it in our strength class today, and we also did it in cardio, and we'll let you know what our thoughts are. So tennis shoes, what are some tips and tricks that you can think about? Short and sweet. I want to get a good pair. Here we go. You got to find something that's cute. Let's just be honest. It needs to be functional, but girl, it has to be cute. So make sure you go find something that you actually like. They come in all kinds of colors. I mean, your girl over here just wears usually black shoes, but that is, I like everything all black. But there are so many different colors that you can get, like hot pink, yellow, green, and you can even get black ones. So tennis shoes is a very, it's a word that does not do a good job of explaining all the different kinds of tennis shoes that you can get. In a dance fitness type class or Zumba class, one of the things that you really want to look for is that you're doing side-to-side movement versus just front and back. So if you go and get a really good expensive running shoe, it's really good about supporting you with that front and back. But when you start doing, your slides and your fancy tap, you're twerking, sometimes your shoe, you feel like your foot is either sliding all around or your foot is like leaning to the outside or leaning to the end, and you find that those really expensive or even really not expensive but labeled running shoes just didn't hit the mark. So my biggest tip for you guys is to actually go find one of two things labeled in the store. One, you want to find a shoe that's actually specifically for tennis. And then that sounds crazy because you're like, okay, but it's all labeled tennis shoe. But you'll see ones that are labeled just for what would be really good out on the tennis court. Because if you think about it, they're doing the same motion that we do, side to side, front back. The other one, if you can't find tennis shoes, is to go and find a cross trainer. Those are always really great on being able to find in any store like Kohl's, Target, online, Amazon. You can really go and find that cross trainer and be able to find a good shoe. And the next thing is, if you're trying to find a shoe and you're like, I just don't know, you almost might want to get sized, or you might want to go to a store that kind of looks at how your feet are, if you're leaning more to the inside or more to the outside. A lot of the running stores will have this like gadget machine that they put you up on a treadmill and they watch your, I think it's called Gant, but I'm not a runner. So if one of my runner friends can like put down in the comments what the heck I'm talking about here. But it's about being able to see if your feet are leaning one way or the other, and they can offer you some suggestions on how your feet are doing when you walk. Okay, so I think that is like the nuts and bolts of it. Really, go find a cross trainer or something that's made specifically for tennis. Girl, you gotta go find something that's super cute. And then you might want to go try a professional and ask them, hey, what are my feet doing when I'm walking? Where do you go to get your shoes? Tell us below. This is like, tell us all your secrets. So let's try out this shoe. It's from Fitville. I am going to show you how you can find it. They even give us a discount code. So if you're like, you know what, I think I want to try out a pair of those too, we totally got the hookup. There you go. What's your favorite thing about the tennis shoes you have on today?
They're comfortable.
Do you like them for dance class?
Yes.
Why?
Because they fit my feet well.
Any tips you would give people for finding tennis shoes?
For me it took a long time. Like I tried a million different pairs and I just stuck with what I like.
Okay, can I ask you questions about the tennis shoes that you're wearing?
Yep.
Okay, what do you like about them?
I like that they're strong and they support me laterally.
How did you find them? Have you been through a lot of shoes?
Yeah, I got those shoes pretty quickly. I found them because they're a tennis shoe for tennis, and that's what they're made for.
Fabulous. Thank you. What's your favorite thing about tennis shoes?
Tennis shoes, they help my feet not hurt because I'm getting old.
And what are you wearing?
Fitville.
New shoes we're trying out today.
Yes,
we're going to see how these pan out. All right.
See how my old feet do.
We're going to demo in class. Let's see how they go. She says her foot. These, well, Brooke, I'm glad you asked. Here, we'll just put this on here. So Sierra and I were asked to try these these out. So this whole video is about tennis shoes. They're Fitville. They're actually pretty fabulous. And I'm not just saying that. I mean, like, they're actually really nice. Yeah, you order them online. I'm going to tell you the thing that I like about it already with this class is I feel like I'm not going anywhere. You know what I mean? Like they don't turn. These are nice. Sierra says so far so good. Yeah.
I have to make sure my feet slide.
I'm going to put her mic on her.
No, my feet slide when I dance, and it hurts. And so far, these feel like that lateral movement. I mean, these are good on my ankles too. I was worried they would be too bulky, or like I would feel, but they don't.
All right, I would say that I am a shoe like snob, but these are pretty nice. And I'm going to show you how you can order them. I'll show you the website and how do you get a discount code. It's pretty famous. But I will say, first class down, both doing lifting and cardio, I'm giving it a thumbs up. We'll see what Sierra says when she walks over here.